Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's quickly understand Salesforce Summer Internship program. So in this video we're going to discuss about Salesforce Summer Internship. So make sure that you are watching this video till the end and also share this with your friends who are actively looking for internship programs. And if you are new, then definitely subscribe to the channel, because you know that on this channel we regularly share off campus drives, walking drives, city wise hiring updates. So make sure that you are subscribing to the channel and also join WhatsApp groups. Link will available in description. And before we start today's video, if you have any doubt related anything or you want to give us any feedback, please share it in comment sections. And on this channel we primarily covering 2026 batch hirings right now. So if you want that we should also cover other batches hiring, like for 2027, 2028 or experienced candidates, then please let us know in the comment section. Now let's quickly understand this internship program. So this internship is offered under Salesforce Futureforce University recruiting program. So now let's quickly look at the role. So your position will be Software Engineer Intern AMTS. Work location will be Bangalore and Hyderabad. Work mode will be office based internship, and the internship is for summer 2027 hiring cycle. And talking about the who can apply, so eligible degrees include BE, B.Tech, and this opportunity is only open for students graduating in 2028. Now eligible branches are computer science, information technology, circuit branches such as electronics and communication, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, and similar streams. Now, Salesforce also mentioned that students should currently be enrolled in college and should be working toward their degree. Now, as a software engineer intern, you work alongside Salesforce engineering teams, and some of your responsibilities include designing and developing software features, writing optimized and clean code, testing and debugging applications. And this isn't a shadowing internship, you'll contribute to real engineering work. So don't miss this. And talking about the required skills, so any programming languages such as Java, C++, or Python, and basic understanding of data structures, algorithms, object-oriented programming, SQL, and relational databases. Now, one of the biggest advantage of this internship is the exposure you'll receive. You'll get to work with experienced engineers on large scale. And Salesforce also mentions that many eligible interns are considered for future full-time opportunity. So this makes this internship a strong stepping stone for your career. So make sure that you are applying for this, and current deadline mentioned is 24th July 2026. So don't wait until the last moment. Complete your application as early as possible and apply early, because 24th is the last day to apply. And to apply, you just have to visit the official link given in description, fill your basic details, upload your resume, and just apply. And make sure that you have clearly mentioned your details in your resume. Okay, so update your resume and apply early. Now that's all for today's video. If you are a 2028 batch students, then don't miss this opportunity. And this is one of the best opportunity currently available for this, and this is from Salesforce. So don't miss this. All the 2028 batch students must apply for this. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell, because I upload latest hiring on this channel, so you never miss any upcoming video. And share it with your friends as well, because this is one of the best opportunity currently available, and last date is very soon, 24th July. So must apply for this. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.